What I'm working on here today is a Chrysler 200, a 2012, and if you ever heard the clicking noise in the dash and a lot of times your venting isn't working properly, it is likely one of your three blend door actuators. And sometimes it goes away after you slam the door, and sometimes it just has a mind of its own and just starts clicking. I'm going to show you how to fix that today. Remove the glove box, let it drop down, push in on both sides on the very top, it'll come down, and then there is a cable on this side here. This cable has a little tab on it. You want to push it up and then down, and then when you have this part horizontal, you can just pull the hinge right off of here. To remove this little bottom thing here, you need to take a panel removing tool and pull this push pin out. You can leave it attached on the other side. This is pretty flexible. You can just push this down and you can have access up above. Okay, I have the glove box taken out, and I took the lower dust shield off there on the bottom, and I found that it is this actuator up here that's making the noise. I went and put my hand on it while it was clicking, so I'm going to replace that one. Okay, I have a little bore scope here and showing the fasteners on there. This one happens to have some Phillips screws, so we'll go and take those out. Okay, now that we have this unbolted here, we'll go and we'll push this little tab here and release the electrical connection. Okay, I have our new part here, and there is an arrow, or if you have an OEM one, there is some lines here, and that goes where you're missing a tooth on the little gear there. So before installing your new one, you would want to reach up here and see if you can manually move the blend doors. Make sure that they're not stuck. So put your new actuator in there and then line up your holes. You'll see this little cross pattern here that goes on that tab. Once that's locked in, then you can go ahead and put your screws back. Well, we got those screws tightened up. We'll go and take our wiring harness here and plug that back in. Now we'll reinstall our little kick shield here on the bottom. And push our little push pin through that hole. Now to reinstall our glove box, we'll go and find our little cable. Pull that out. It's on a little keystone. Put that in there first. We'll go ahead and line our hinges up. Give it a push forward, and then it'll snap in on top.